I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to log into the Trust Wallet app. First, ensure you have the official Trust Wallet application installed on your device. When you open the app, you'll be presented with two main options: creating a new wallet or importing an existing one. If you're new, choose to create a new wallet. If you already have one, select the import option. Remember, your recovery phrase is crucial for accessing your funds. If you're importing an existing wallet, tap on I already have a wallet. You'll then need to select multi-coin wallet from the list of options. This is where you'll carefully enter your 12-word recovery phrase. It's vital to type each word precisely and in the correct sequence, as any error will prevent successful access to your wallet. Double-check your entry before proceeding. For those creating a new wallet, choose Create a New Wallet and accept the terms of service. The app will then generate your unique 12-word recovery phrase. This phrase is your master key, so write it down immediately and store it safely offline. Never share it. You'll then be asked to confirm the phrase by re-entering the words in the correct order to ensure you've recorded it accurately. Once your wallet is set up or imported, you can establish a passcode or enable biometric authentication for convenient and secure access. This adds an extra layer of protection to your funds. Your main wallet dashboard will then appear, showing your various cryptocurrency balances. Always remember to keep your recovery phrase absolutely confidential and ensure you have multiple secure backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.